Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to wipe cache on your Red Magic Astra tablet. So your tablet lacks a specific dedicated wipe cache partition feature, which is oftenly available in recovery mode. So you don't need to even try to access this mode. But if you want to free up some space on your device, use the cleanup application that is pre-installed on your tablet. Just enter this application, and here you'll be able to find the junk files that you can clean up in one tap. You can also clean up images like similar ones by selecting them and deleting them. And if you want to clean up your cache, then you're gonna have to go to the app data, then select the application in which cache you want to wipe, and then scroll down to storage and cache for this application and select clear cache. And this way you can wipe the cache from the applications on your tablet. Besides, we can also do that by going to settings, then on the sidebar select apps, and then select the application which cache you want to wipe, then select storage, clear cache, and this will do the job. And besides, your device has a built-in optimizer which activates every time you enter game mode, or you are when you are starting a game. And that's and you can also enable it manually by starting a game and entering the overlay of your game and selecting optimize. And this way you can wipe cache on your tablet. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.